Hey friends, it's Rosie from iHeartRecipes.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how I make my collard greens with smoked ham hocks. Of course, if you want the exact measurements, be sure to head over to my blog, iHeartRecipes.com. So to get started, I have my smoked ham hocks here. I'm going to get started off by placing them into my slow cooker, and I'm going to cook them until they are nice and tender. And as you see, I'm pouring in water. If you choose, you can certainly use broth instead of water. Broth actually adds more flavor, but I noticed last time I placed the collard green video up here, a lot of people asked me if I could do it with water instead of broth, so that's what we're doing. So once the ham hocks get cooking, it's going to be smelling amazing. That's why my girls are right here. That's Grace, the gray one, and Mila's the little black one. They just never leave pretty much when I'm in the kitchen. But anyway, we're going to cut up our collard greens, and you want to make sure they are washed very good before cooking. So the collard greens are in the pot, not everything, but we're going to let them slowly cook down, and once everything starts cooking down, you can add in more ingredients. So I added in more ham hocks. I'm going to add in my onion at this time and my bell pepper. And we're just going to continue to add all the ingredients in there until everything is completely in the pot, and you want to make sure you mix everything until it's well combined. Now I want to know, what is your favorite thing to cook in your greens? Do you like smoked ham hocks? Do you like neck bones? Do you like to use fat back, bacon ends? What do you like adding in your greens? Leave it down below in the comment section. So as you see, I added in some minced garlic just now, and I'm just going to give everything a nice stir until everything's well combined, and we're just going to continue to cook this, and this is on medium-high heat. So as you guys know, I did cook this with some water instead of broth. Now when you cook with water instead of broth, you will need to add a little more seasonings. Therefore, I'm going to start adding in some seasoning salt, garlic powder, and onion powder, and I also added in some black pepper. So once everything's in there, we're just going to give it a nice stir, make sure everything's well incorporated, and we're going to let our collards cook some more. I'm going to actually reduce the heat at this time from medium-high to just medium. And then I'm also going to add some vinegar off camera. Now, you don't have to add too much vinegar. You don't even have to add any at all. That is optional, but it's something I like to use in my ingredients. And I just let it cook until everything is nice and tender, and I'm good to go. I want to know what your favorite Southern side dish is. Leave it down below in the comment section, and if I have a recipe for it, I would try my best to upload my version. I want to thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to head over to iHeartRecipes.com.